Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you the default Call of Duty graphics gameplay test in the ROG ROG Phone 6. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with the ROG Phone 6, which is the world's fastest Android smartphone you can actually buy right now with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset in this device. So let's find out friends what's going on with ROG Phone 6 regarding the Call of Duty graphics settings and what is the highest graphics settings you can actually play in this device. That's what this video is all about. And let me open the Call of Duty gameplay here, and let's start the gameplay review of this Call of Duty. And recently I did upload the review on the Genshin Impact, so make sure to check out that video in case if you haven't watched. So I'm trying to concentrate on few gameplay reviews friends on this device, so we'll try to see how this thing goes with the default graphics settings. So we do know right, this phone is pretty recently released smartphone, even the processor as well. So definitely few of the games are not that well optimized at this point, but we need to wait for that. So let's go to the audio and the graphics settings, and here you can actually find the settings of very high and maximum. There is no 90 FPS option, unfortunately you cannot select that. So usually what happens is that in some phones you can use the medium and the ultra FPS settings, but right now there is no ultra FPS settings. Maybe in the future we might be able to get that, but at this moment you can use a very high and high at this point, so you can actually play it higher graphics settings right now without any kind of problem. Let's go to the multiplayer and let me try to do one game, maybe one game multiplayer and one game normal battle royale. I'll try to do the gameplay test, and I'll try to show you friends exactly what's going on with overall FPS and everything, so then you might be able to understand exactly the details. So right now you can see we're getting about 60 FPS and the triggers are working fantastic. No need to worry, and the haptic feedback is really very good in this device at this point. Haptic feedback is an excellent. So like we do know right, ROG ROG phones, they do have very strong haptic feedback and best haptic feedback when you compare with other smartphones especially. But overall the gameplay review looks like really very good. So let me know in the comments below friends what are your thoughts, and definitely you'll be able to play at 60 FPS in this game. So while recording and playing I am not playing that well, but anyway. I'll definitely do the screen recording test, then you may be able to understand it properly with the screen recording how the gameplay goes overall. But let's go to the settings and fit. Let's go to the battle royale gameplay, and let's try to play the battle royale, and let's see. Let's see how is the drop test gonna be there. I just want to use the drop test as an example in this video, that's it. Right now we're getting 60, but let's see, let's find out after some time. As you can see, I did try to select the trigger options as well. Anyway, right now we'll try to see the exact FPS drop test, how much it's gonna do. let's do the drop test at this moment. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of Call of Duty drop test as well. I'm really excited to see. But anyway, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 should not be able to have any difficulties in playing this one. But later I'll try to cover the gameplay of the Apex Legend as well. So stay tuned for those videos for the Apex Legend gameplay. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are getting about 59 FPS. So 15 is the lowest value which we did see right now. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick Call of Duty gameplay review and default settings in the ROG ROG Phone 6. And meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.